say that this is a matter that has taken quite some time. Yes, we agree that there are new judges who have come. I'm happy to tell my members that the new judge has agreed to proceed from where the matter was left. And we are positive that we shall have it concluded in the next stage. It is unfortunate that our brother Johnston Muthama was unwell. He is part of the parties in the case, and we are told he is currently unable to attend court. And it is only fair that we give him that opportunity. But I'm hopeful that this matter will be closed on the 9th of June when it is next coming. The court has explained that it will be on leave in the month of April, and I was counting time with one of my old men here. It is only 1 month in between, and my experience tells me that it is not a long time. But, I will remain ready all the time. Adjournments will be done by others, not Mung'ata, and we are closer to the end than we've been before.
Nzioki Maembe, chairman wa Komarock Society. Tulikuwa tumekuja kotini kusikiza kesi ambayo imeendelea kutoka mwezi wa Julai 2013 to date. Na tukija kotini leo kama members tulikuwa tuna expect tupate solution ya hii kesi ambayo imechukua muda mrefu. Sasa kulingana na vile tunaambiwa tumepewa tarehe nyingine mpya ya mwezi wa June. Tunaona hiyo tarehe ikiwa mbali sana. Ukiangalia kutoka 2013 mpaka wa leo, hiyo ni miaka zaidi ya 12. Kwa hivyo kama ingewezekana, hii tunauliza mali yetu. Tunauliza shamba yetu ambao imekaa na wazazi wetu na sisi sasa tumekaa. Tunaomba solution ipatikane. Tusahau hii maneno, tuende kazi, development iendelee na watu waendelee na kufanya kazi, wasikae wakija kotini kila siku. Very disappointed person. If government listens to the people, it should listen to its people. A solution should be got to resolve such issues, because this is something that has taken a lot of time. If it were possible, the job should have been either today or it would have been yesterday. We are just praying and hoping that the continuity will take place, and that the new judge will take over from where he was left and then deliver the judgment.